Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the Earpiece speaker on the Motorola Moto G 2023 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, create a small gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or cartwright tool. Slide the tool around the edges to carefully release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, hold the fingerprint button and carefully lift the back cover. There is some adhesive near the camera flash area, so if necessary, apply heat to soften it. This will make removing the back cover much easier from the top position. Pull the back cover and remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Next, remove the not working earpiece speaker from the body. Gently pry and pull the ear speaker from the body. Next, place and secure the new ear speaker on the body. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. To close the back cover, first align it carefully over the phone, making sure the fingerprint button and camera openings line up. Next, gently press down along the edges. You'll hear little clicks as the clip snap into place. Run your fingers along the sides to ensure every clip is snapped. Verify that the fingerprint button is properly aligned and clicks. Next, turn on the device for testing. Finally, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.